Good day, sir.
Today in biology class we shall be discussing the topic, classification of living things. Let us look at the content of the lesson. We shall be discussing the following: classification of living things, kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi.
All right. Go ahead, sir.
Introduction to classification of living things. The act of distributing things into classes or categories of the same type is called classification. Classification can be defined as grouping organisms according to their structural similarities. Classification helps us to impose order and a general plan on the diversity of living things. Scientists have always tried to organize and classify the objects, including living organisms, around them. The groups, from largest to smallest, are arranged as follows: kingdom, phylum, plural phyla, class, order, family, genus, plural genera, and species. The species is the smallest group of organisms. Billy, can you discuss the hierarchical classification system?
All right, sir. It starts with kingdom, followed by phylum, then class, order, family, genus, species.
Let us talk about kingdom Monera. Characteristics of kingdom Monera are presence of prokaryotic, bacteria and blue-green algae, and various primitive pathogens. It is composed of single-celled organisms that lack a nucleus. The predominant mode of nutrition is absorption, but some groups are photosynthetic, that is, holophytic, and chemosynthetic. The organisms are non-modal or move by the beating of simple flagella or by gliding. Bacteria shapes can be Kochi, bacilli, vibrio, spirillum, filament, stalked, booted. Let's discuss kingdom Protista. Billy, give us the characteristics of kingdom Protista.
1. These are usually aquatic, present in the soil or in areas with moisture. 2. Most Protist species are unicellular organisms. However, there are a few multicellular protists such as kelp. 3. Just like the eukaryotes, the cell of these species have a nucleus and membrane-bound organelle. 4. They may be autotrophic or heterotrophic in nature. 5. Protists exhibit locomotion through cilia, pseudopodia, and flagella. 6. Protists reproduced by a sexual mean. 7. Protists can feed parasitically, for example trypanosome species that causes sleeping sickness.
Kingdom Fungi is the next thing we are going to briefly discuss. Who can give me the characteristics of this kingdom?
1. Almost all fungi have filamentous structure except the yeast cells. 2. It is composed of single-celled or multicellular organisms that lack a nucleus. 3. Fungi reproduce by means of spore. The mode of reproduction is sexual or asexual. 4. Fungi possess a cell wall which is made of chitin and polysaccharides. 5. Fungi lack chlorophyll and hence cannot perform photosynthesis. 6. Examples of fungi include yeasts, molds, and mushrooms.
It's time for evaluation. 1. Enumerate 3 unicellular organisms. 2. State 3 characteristics of fungi.
Sir, when are we to submit this?
Before we meet for the next class. We have come to the end of the lesson. Hope to see you in the next class. Bye.
Goodbye, Sir Achegbulu David Jenyunwojo.